Namaskar. One of the common question asked during meditation question answer series is how do you know you are proceeding in meditation? How you are proceeding. How do you how to measure your progress in meditation? The idea is what is the purpose of meditation? The purpose is getting inner peace, inner happiness, reaching to the state of blissfulness. Once that objective is clear, now every day after meditation session or during the daytime or at the end of the day, ask this question to yourself: am I reaching to the state of blissfulness? How was my day? As far as my objective is concerned, in regard to that, how was my day? Am I getting blissful day by day? Am I getting more peace of mind? Am I getting more relaxed mind? Am I reaching to the state of equilibrium, a balance in my life, whereby respect or disrespect doesn't matter for me? Am I reaching to that state of equilibrium? Am I reaching to the state of balance, whereby the external condition does not affect my state of mind? If you are reaching that, if this is happening to you, then whatever you are doing is perfect. You are proceeding, you are making real progress in meditation if your mind is not affected by the external condition. So this is one way. And of course the other thing is that you are in a state of constant happiness. The happiness part is increasing, and that happiness, that joy, is without any reason. There is no reason, absolutely no reason. Just you are happy, you are happy. That's it. So if this is happening day by day, if this is being achieved, that means you are doing great progress in meditation. अगर आपके जीवन में शांति बढ़ रही है, ठहराव बढ़ रहा है, तो आप सही जा रहे हैं. It's as simple as that. So that's my reply. So it should be very, very clear. Objective is reaching to the state of constant happiness without any cause. A state is there where you are just blissful. You're doing any task, any day-to-day task that you were doing without meditation. You're doing the same thing, but feeling happiness. You're doing your office work, you're doing your homework, or you're doing whatever you have been doing till now, but the state of happiness is there. If you are reaching that stage, that means whatever you are doing is just perfect. If you're not, then proceed in this direction. So the objective must be clear, must be very, very clear. So I hope you got the reply. So thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel if you like this. Thank you. Stay tuned. Thank you.